The key difference between linguistics and applied linguistics is that linguistics is the scientific study of the structure and development of language in general, or particular language, whereas applied linguistics is the branch of linguistics focusing on the practical application of language studies. Applied linguistics has historical meant language teaching, as in teaching English to a speaker of Chinese, etc. However, more recently, it has come to include many other areas in which the basis of linguistic structure, phonology, morphology, syntax are applied to some aspect of human behavior, such as historical linguistics. Applied linguistics is a field of study that looks at how linguistics can help understand real-life problems in areas such as psychology, sociology, and education. They are similar in that they both examine language, but the applied part is more about specific of language, adapting it down as a laboratory, whereas linguistics will be a wider view of the language in its entirety. Applied linguistics focus on the numerous and complex areas in society in which language plays a role. There is conscious that the goal is to apply to finding and the techniques for research in linguistics and related disciplines to solve practical problems. Linguistic majors also study the structural semantics and grammar. Phonetics refers to sounds and syntax refers to sentence. Semantics is the study of meaning, such as the meaning of words. Grammar focuses on classes of words and how words function in a sentence. All of this must be considered as embedded in the society where the language is being used. There is generative linguistics, which was founded by Noam Chomsky, and sociolinguistics, where the focus is on the relation between language and society. The society in which the language is spoken will say a lot about how the language is understood. So the study of linguistics is in a classroom might be very different from experiencing the same language in a social conversation. That is why there are many different approaches to studying linguistics, and each have its own place. That is all about linguistics and applied linguistics. Difficult